We've got the Gate Safety Summit 2020 coming up February 12th. If you're interested in coming, we still have seats available, and you need to go to facebook.com, the Access Control Expert School, and click on events. There's two events there. One is the Gate Safety Summit set up for February 12th. All you have to do is click on where it says interested or going, and then click going, and that will reserve your seat. Whether we know you're coming or not, you still need to do this because that'll determine whether you can get some breakfast and some lunch. So we need to know whether you're coming, so you'll click on that. It's going to be all day. We're not 100% sure of what the order is going to be, but let me tell you who we've got. Michael Landino from HySecurity. He's going to be bringing one of the new Slide Smart or Swing Smart gate operators that have the CNX control board. Him and I sat down for a brief talk the other day, and I've got that video getting released this weekend. Cameron from EMX, he's one of the new representatives over there. He's been in the sensor industry for a long time, and now he's on the EMX team. They make some of the best loop detectors, exit probes, and sensors that there are out there. We're going to be connecting to some of those, and we're going to be connecting to some of their photo eyes, the IRB Mon and the IRBT, which are the most reliable photo eyes, in my opinion, out there, and I really like to use them. The other thing that we're going to be doing is talking to Tony Thornton over at the AFA. Now, the AFA is the leader in education for automatic gate safety. They look at everything that's going on, develop programs in order to train us on how to work around automatic gates safely. And Tony is going to talk to us about this. Now, because it is a Gate Safety Summit, this will be an introduction into getting your team on board with automatic gate safety. This will not be an automatic gate safety instruction certified class. However, Tony Thornton does, and through the AFA University, does have the access to those classes. They hold them in a couple times a year, maybe once a year. They hold it at the Fence Tech Expo, and then AFA University, which is at the end of generally each year here in Texas. But he'll be talking to you about that. It's very important as this automatic gate safety becomes a bigger priority for guys, because there are more and more incidents happening on a regular basis. We need to know how to install these safe, what gate operator that we need to buy in order to install in a residence versus a commercial. We need to know about the safety equipment that goes along with it, edge sensors, photo eyes, and so on. So there's only 30 seats available. So if you do want to reserve your seat, last class that we had back in August, it was a full house. So you need to reserve your seat ASAP. And I think this will be a good opportunity from everybody, from the technician in training, technician, manager, and owner. All of you guys are going to benefit. And you might just find that some of the best information is actually in between the classes when you network and talk to the guys who are teaching the classes. There might be a question that you're just not familiar with, that hadn't been asked yet, and you don't want to ask it out in public. Well, that's the time that you can do it, and you might just find that that's the key for you. That's the gold mine that's there. So if you can stop out, it's Carrollton, Texas. All the information is on the Facebook page. If you want to go, make sure you click going. The Access Control Expert School's Facebook page. If you need to reserve your seat, that's how you do it. So hope to see you in class.